So Martha Stewart Living, Omni Media, meant to be a big media company, but almost all of the revenues from that business, the Martha Stewart Living business, which went public back in the dot-com craze, if you can believe it, have been from sales to retailers, specifically Kmart. They did this deal when Eddie Lampert tried to take over Kmart and make it into a great big retailer and faced much difficulty. They struck this really big deal with Martha Stewart Living. It was a huge loss for Kmart. Kmart was paying much more to Martha Stewart Living than the revenues from the products coming in. Then when that deal looked like it was going to expire, Martha Stewart throws a Hail Mary, does this deal with Macy's. It looks like it's an exclusive deal, but they started hinting to investors, just because we have an exclusive deal with Macy's doesn't mean we can't go to other places. So again, the media business not really taking off for Martha Stewart, the magazines besides Martha Stewart Living that they tried to launch, such as Everyday Food, not having the great success that Martha Stewart Living magazine had had. And so then they try to go into this deal with Macy's and maybe JCPenney and maybe others. The basis of the exclusivity at Macy's was always at stake. This is a big win for Martha Stewart and Martha Stewart Living.